Happy Wednesday, guys. There's nothing new in the packet today. It's just more practice with the single replacement, except now it's going to be with the non-metal portion. So you'll need to get the non-metal single replacement reactions paper from the sub. And then this time when you're using table J, we're going to be looking at the non-metal side. So there's really only the 4 of them, but same thing, the most active is at the top and the least is at the bottom. So chlorine could not replace fluorine, but fluorine can replace chlorine. And remember that the non-metals are always the anion, or the negative part, or the second part of a compound. So if we look at our first equation, you have Ki, so this is your metal, and then now you notice that the second compound is also a non-metal. So it's not the K that's going to be doing the swapping, it's going to be the the Br is going to be kicking out the I and leaving it on its own. So you would have the K now is going to be with the Br. K is +1, Br is -1, so KBr. The I is by itself now, but we know that I is diatomic. So it's always going to be written as I2. So that's how the reaction would be written. So we have metal and non-metal, the positive part and the negative part of the ion. Br and I are the ones that are going to replace each other. Br is above I, so it can take place. So now the K is going to be with the Br, +1, -1, and the I is going to be all by itself, but it's diatomic. So then to balance, we need a 2 here for the Brs. And then we need the I's, so we need a 2 here, and then the 2 K's and the 2 K's. Okay. Then, so that's the first 4. You're going to basically be looking to see if it's a reaction that takes place and balance it. Then when we get down toward the bottom part, so we'll just skip all the way to the bottom and we'll do the top and the bottom. So we have chlorine, which we know is a non-metal. Chlorine is up here, so it can replace bromine, it can replace iodine. It can't replace fluorine. So if we go down here, this is our metal, this is our non-metal. So chlorine would replace iodine if it can. And remember, chlorine is above iodine on the table, so yes, it can. So now the Ca is going to be with the Cl, and the I is going to be by itself. Calcium is +2, chlorine is -1, so it'll be CaCl2, and iodine is diatomic. And then we don't have to do anything to balance it. Okay? If the chlorine was not above the iodine, then remember we would write no reaction. All right, so your only work is to just go through this worksheet. Remember, if you have not done the one from yesterday or you haven't finished your 4 titrations, make sure that you do those, print out the notebooks, and put them in the basket for me. Okay, thanks guys, bye.